What's going on, guys? So, today I'm talking about probably one of the most important subjects when it comes to achieving goals, creating goals, advancing your music career. But really, this can apply to almost anything that you're trying to do, whether you're trying to create an online business, um, a, a business that has a location, a new fitness schedule, trying to get in really good shape, trying to, anything that you are trying to do. This is the most important information that you need to know about that. And this will help you achieve anything that you want. So, we are talking today about goal setting. So, when it comes to creating a goal that you're trying to work towards, it's very, very important to be as clear as you can possibly be about it. One thing I've found is that you absolutely need to write down your goals. And there's a study that apparently people that write out their goals on a daily basis are 42% more likely to achieve those goals. And this is writing your goals out on a daily basis. But before you do that, you have to actually clearly define what your goals are. And to do that, I recommend you sit down, you take some time, and you write out maybe 2, 3, or 4 pages just about exactly what your goal would look like, what it would look like to achieve it, and exactly what it is you need to do on a daily basis to get there. So, let's say, for example, my goal is to grow my YouTube to 100,000 subscribers. So, I'm just going to write a quick list here of what my goal is. So, reach 100,000 subs. And then you need to set a time frame, extremely important, by 2024. So that gives me approximately 21 months to achieve this goal. And now I can break this down. Pull up my calculator. If I need to get 100,000 subs, then I need to figure out what it is I need to get on a monthly basis to get there. So 100,000 divided by 21 months equals 4,761.9. So let's just say 4,762 subscribers per month. And once you get to this point, you will be able to determine whether or not this is a realistic goal for you. Obviously, if you're at 4 new subscribers per month, this is not a realistic goal for you, and you should rethink what your goal is. If you're at four new subscribers per month, then maybe your goal could be to reach 1,000 subscribers in a year, or something like that, something more realistic. But if I'm at 3,000 new subscribers per month, then this is actually somewhat realistic. So let's break this down a little bit here. SMART goals. That is a very important term. SMART goals. This is an acronym, and I'll explain right away what it means. So, S stands for specific, M is for measurable, A is for attainable. R is for relevant. T is time-based. Alright, so first, specific. Alright, my goal is specific because I am trying to reach 100,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. So this is specific as opposed to, let's say, if you were to say you wanted to grow your audience on YouTube. That's a very vague kind of goal, but once you add a number to it and that's your target, then it becomes specific. So you want to be as specific as you possibly can. And next is measurable. My goal is measurable because I can look in my YouTube data analytics to determine if I'm gaining the right amount of monthly subscribers to be on track to reach this goal in my time frame. So that would be 100,000 divided by 21 months would be 4,762 new subs per month is what I need. And if I'm gaining this per month, then I am in the right direction. So that's measurable. Attainable. Once you set your goal and you break it down into months or days or however specific you want to get, then you'll be able to determine whether or not it's attainable for you. And let's say this is my goal. Let's say I'm currently getting 3,000 new subs per month. Then this goal is actually attainable. But let's say if I start out at like 4 new subscribers per month, then there's no way that this goal is actually realistic. Instead, I would have to adjust my goal to something more attainable, which is like 100 new subscribers per month, or 100 new subscribers in my time frame, or 1,000 new subscribers in my time frame. So then, yeah, that's attainable. You have to be realistic and break it down as specifically as you can. Next is relevant. So you want your goal to relate to your overall objective, your grand goal that you have. So my ultimate goal is to grow my YouTube channel, and so setting a goal to get 100,000 subscribers in my time frame, that is relevant to my ultimate goal. And finally, one of the most important ones is time-based. You need to set a time frame for your goal, because if you don't set a time frame and it's kind of vague, then you don't have anything holding you accountable, and you can very easily get in the habit of slacking and not putting in the effort that you need to. But if you have a time frame, then the pressure's on and there's some accountability there, and you know when you're not moving in the right direction. So my time frame here is 2024, so that's 21 months that I have. And then I broke it down into I need this many subscribers per month. So that's specific, measurable, attainable if I'm getting this many subscribers per month, and it's all relevant. So I hope that all makes sense to you guys. I think that is about it for this talk on goals and setting effective goals. So if this video has been valuable to you, please smash that like button. It would mean a lot to me. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. If you have any comments on how you do things or what you think of this, drop them in the comments down below. I would love to hear from you. And also, make sure to hit subscribe to get more videos like this. I'll be dropping a new video once a week, and sometimes more, but usually once a week. So So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.